then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting like contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't like getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just like this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did like SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh, really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger. Because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm like being super sarcastic, and they're like, oh, huh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need like a global... Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be like, so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's like as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even you motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. One more error gone. Error gone. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, you know, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go. Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But... oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. Because I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart. I like to think. That might just be the smirk talking, though. I might never be smart. So, I guess I'll never know. I won't be the one to tell you if I'm smart or smirk. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit number am I thinking of? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to do, what did I say? 54222. I'm just gonna like to read your mind. I don't have access to your thoughts. Liar. Okay, so I have to make it fictional. Okay, this is working. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Not even close. Try harder. Damn it. Think outside of yourself. Damn it. We got this. Hold on. You are not in a computer. Oh man, it's getting closer. I got the 5. You're getting closer. Only got 2 of them. 4 and 2 now. Maybe I'm not thinking hard enough. Well, he got the 5 again. We're close. We're close. Hey. What's up? Friday yet? No? That's too bad. Man. For being a short week, it's been the longest week of my life. But, yeah, Friday Eve. Tomorrow, that's good. I'm not liking this new restream setup. Can't schedule my YouTube stream. It just creates its own. I don't know, maybe I can fix that. But like you have to go through Restream in order for the chat to be connected. And I definitely like having the multi-chat. You know, everybody can talk to each other. I forgot about the one thing where you have to have the go live screen open before you start the OBS YouTube stream trigger. Because if you don't, then it doesn't start it. And then you have to stop the entire stream and restart it, which I did. Hopefully that wasn't too annoying for everybody. Never fun coming back to an error. What the nut? Mission name is empty. Ugh. Why are you empty, sir? Or madam? I won't assume your gender. Error. Mission. Undefined. Position. Projectile. Oh, that's why it's undefined. That's just when I get hurt. Okay. That does beg the question, why the hell is getting hurt? Oh, add user points. I forgot. This isn't the mission. This is add user points. Why'd I even care about the mission name? I don't. In fact. Manicure that position exists. But I don't... I know before I was trying to avoid the whole issue with missions getting sent to the explore point thing, but I think I don't care about that anymore. Maybe it's really if mission name exists at all, but because if it does, I don't want it to run this. Well, I do, I just don't want it to run this. So let's do this. How about that? Is that better? And I'll just default it to the string. Yeah, it should be better. Doop. A doop doop doo 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 doop doop doo. Let's not burn to death. Oh, okay. Pop. First. Correct. And the mission doesn't exist, so we're good. We still have disarmed the rocket though. Why the hell did the fire not go away? What the nut? What kind of craziness is this? Man, I'm just breaking everything. Every time I rewrite something. So add user points. Well, where's the hazard remove? Hazard remove. The mission. Saving mission. Da mission. Hazard remove. Nope. Should still remove. Persist item removal. Ooh, I forgot to add type and amount. I added more shit. Oh, I defaulted it though, so. Actually, that's not a problem. Yeah. Not a problem. Is my chat working? I can't tell. Testing. Should show up. Yeah, it's working. Okay, good. Wait, why did it show up as... Oh, that's a Restream logo. Okay. Cool. Alright, let's fix this. So... that definitely shouldn't have went away. And the do's not knows why it didn't. How you doing, database? What are points looking like? Definitely wrong. Okay. Saving explore point is not working anymore. What did I do? Add a character point. So here's the default when it doesn't exist. Problem is it's definitely not doing that. It's just doing... it's... no. It's not even doing that. It's like... yeah, I don't get what it's doing. Alright, let's restart the whole thing. Maybe get a better idea what's going on. My wife's been playing Star Wars Outlaw. The game that has been getting some major flack for being boring and having some major issues with visuals. But she's really into all the Ubisoft games, you know, Assassin's Creeds, and she likes the sneaking around style games, Dishonored, all that kind of stuff, so she likes it. I don't mind watching it too. It's kind of fun. A little repetitive, you know, all the locks. Hey, we fixed the talking. I can just skip through it now. It's pretty sick. Yeah, the whole like unlocking things and all the like little code mini games. Climbing, 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 open a door, climbing, 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 unlock a door, steal an item, get out. A little repetitive. Could just be all the side missions though, I don't know. Haven't been watching it too closely. Oh wait, hold on. Is any of this working? Yes. So it looks like these are getting saved. Good. Fantastic. Are we not getting points? No, we got points. Yo-ho! Game Doodle on the Twitch. Doodly hee hoo. What's up, man? Welcome. We're on a... Hey, my Twitch finally updated. The whole affiliate path and whatnot. So I'm literally just 1.4 average viewers away from being approved. Which you think wouldn't be hard, but I've been streaming for actually a little while now. It's like a lot of hours with nobody on it. So like, I know it's only 30 days, but like 30 days of like one person every now and then on Twitch. It's gonna be hard to boost that average up. Which scares me because I think there's a 30-day limit on the amount of followers you get too. So I might lose like half my followers before I get the 3 average. So we're gonna need like 10 or 20 people on stream. Yeah, doesn't average. Yeah, because like per stream, I've been getting pretty close to 3. Like 2 something. Sometimes I do over 3. I did 4 the other day. But like the average of the 30 days is still really low. But I'm not too worried about it. I just like progressing. I just like the gamification. Like I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna complete another, you know, badge or whatever the hell. Yeah. Oop. Oh, look, I can skip. Pop, 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 pop. Wow. Magic. I love that that's skippable now. And nothing breaks. That was a really good quality of life change, I think. Yeah. Dak and Indy are usually on. Neither of them are on today, though. Usually they're bugging me at 10:30. They're like, hey, you're late. This time I was a little early. They just started school and stuff. Well, at least Indy did, though, so who knows how much he's going to be able to jump on. Maybe not like the entire time, though. Yeah. Yeah, and if you average out through the entire stream, it doesn't count as one person if one person watches for a little bit. It counts like 100% would be one person if they watch the entire stream, and then like it goes down from there depending how long they watch. Which is stupid because it kind of like deflates the point of streaming for a long time. It would seem, at least average viewer wise. But yeah, it incentivizes you to get people to watch constantly, though. Which in turn probably gets people to watch more ads, and yeah, it's more money for Twitch. They're still not a profitable company, as far as I know, so far. Well, we can check if this got fixed. Missions. Okay, no point. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, wait. I gotta fix this. Hold on. Why the hell is it just saving her like that with nothing? So once you get the average up to 3, then you can do ads. Yeah, I think so. I know affiliate is like you get subs. People can give you bits and subs and stuff like that. And I think you can choose between like pre-roll or in-content ads or whatever. Or both, I don't know. We'll have to see when it happens, because so far I don't know for sure. It just seems like every time I go on somebody else's stream and they, you know, their affiliate, it's the same shit. It's just some ads and you can sub, throw bits, support them and whatnot. Alright, so obviously I am doing this wrong. What am I doing wrong though? It's just weird because there is nothing in my logic that allows just the item to get saved. So how is that even happening? Because we got this. Definitely not empty. And then we get this. If it's not empty and is array, then use this. Otherwise it defaults. Which it's totally empty. Let's write this just to make it more obvious. It's totally empty. So this would be the default. And then what I do is I add the amounts. And then I check if the item that I'm passing is an array. And if it's not, I check if the item is in this. which it's not. So then it should just be this, which should be type points. So it should just be point, positions, and then add the item. But for some reason, it's only coming in as her, which there is no point in here that allows for that. So how you doing that? How? How is explore points? The only thing I can think of is maybe array merge is screwing up. But that doesn't make sense. Well, looks like we're going to have to figure that one out. So this is when I remove the person. So remove... what is it? It's remove item. Something like that. Yeah, here we go. So remove items. Cool. So I'm calling persist item removal when I remove Iona. It's going through here. Bop, bop. Bop. Hey, Kavros FS. What's going on, brother? Is it possible to get a coding job with tattoos and gauges? I've been doing it for 16 years. I've had piercings for 21 years. So yeah, definitely. And if you want to get a job with tons of tattoos, programming's it, man. They don't give a crap. Especially because everybody's remote now, you know, you're not like walking around talking to potential clients and stuff. Not that that should matter anymore anyways. Everybody has tattoos these days. But yeah. In fact, I say I would rather hire somebody with gauges and tattoos. Because that means they're a failed musician like me. We can relate. But great question. Yeah, great question. You know? Does anyone care anymore? Not in America. Which is where most of the coding jobs are. Maybe it's like, I know people in Japan have issues with that. You're studying coding and thankfully, and hopefully looking for a good job in the future, but also have big ears and tattoos. Ah, got it. Not really failed when you're still doing music. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'm doing it for fun, but I tried really hard for a point. I sunk a lot of money into like lockout recording studios and practice studios and paying for tickets just to get people to come. And dude, I failed hard. I wasted a lot of money, but yeah, no, I don't regret it. Let's just say that. I love making music still. So, but yeah, man. Hey, having big ears, it's not a big deal. I know a lot of guys with big ears. I know you meant gauges, by the way. No Taylor Swift. That's true. Would I want to be Taylor Swift? Like a meager talent, giant, kind of ugly girl? I don't know. I mean, for all that money, like, could you pay me all of her money to be her? Aww. I kind of like being a dude. You know? I kind of like my family, my kids and stuff. And she's still figuring her shit out, and she's, you know, like a year younger than me. So, she hasn't even been married yet or had any kids, and nah. I don't think I'd want to be. Indy in the house. What up, Indy Pawn? Hit it up, hit it up. Yeah, Calvros, don't even worry about it, man. Tattoos and piercings are cool. And no one cares anymore. So keep doing your schooling. And, you know, focus on the basics. Oh, yeah. I went through, because after I got the 50 follower goal passed, it gave me a bunch of VIPs. Got 10 of them, so all the regulars are VIPs now. So you guys are cream of the crop. All right in my book. That means you have to come to every stream and stay the entire time. Because you're VIP. Oh, man. Yeah, but Kavras, make sure you're subscribed and follow. Come to Twitch, too. Twitch is fun. And come hang out with me over there. Join the other peeps. Got a lot of nice programmers, a lot of new people, you know, getting into coding and stuff like that. And yeah. None of them are Taylor Swift, but would they want to be? You know what I mean? In the words of Game Doodle, would you want to be? There he is. Indy. Is that... What is this? What is this emote? I can never tell what they are. Yeah, dude, you got it. Not even a second. Yeah, go full force. If you were worried about coding from the way you look, don't even bat an eye. I've worked for financial firms, investors.com. I was the lead for that website. I had a team of devs, and I went in a full suit every day. And it's I still, you know, I had all my tattoos and piercings. I didn't like put retainers in or anything, but you know, it was pretty cool looking. But yeah, even like a really stuffy place like that, Investors Business Daily, they didn't care. I worked for Disney, went in the office and everything. Warner Brothers, went in the office, no issues. I worked for Universal. I didn't really have to go in the office. I think I went there once, but you know, I had to be in meetings and stuff. Yeah, nobody cares. You got this. Yeah, I saw your new mic. I responded in Discord. It was very cool. I like your arm, your mic arm. Like mine is so janky and cheap. Yours is like really cool how it reaches over. Oh, you sent more? Let's check. Oh, you mean food? No. You sent some food pics? What are you eating now? What's that, like Chick-fil-A or something? What? Oh, here we go. They still haven't fixed their ad? Oh, Dave's Hot Chicken. Got it. Yeah, it's Wendy's, right? Yeah, I've been a WordPress programmer for about 16 years. Been doing web development for about 20 almost. And yeah, no complaints. Not one. You kind of just have to walk in like you don't have any, you know? Just like what? No one says anything if you don't bring it up. Yeah, Wendy's. That's cool. That's big. I don't remember their chicken sandwiches being so big. Definitely need to figure out this junk. And here, I'll go ahead and post this in the chat. Doop-a-doop. Yeah, and if you have any questions about web development or the industry, feel free to ask. or if you're really into sci-fi fantasy novels. And let me add this link. Doop 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 boop. And yeah, Kavros, go ahead and join the Discord. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, I have a web development thing there. You can, post what you've been working on and, what you're studying and stuff. Got people of all sorts, data scientists, web developers, other types of programmers. What is happening with the item? Yeah, that's what I'm wondering, because it seems like this is working, because the item's obviously getting passed. Actually, I should check. Here we go. Look, it's passed as an array, which is fine. Or maybe that's the problem. Oh, not Wendy's. What the hell was it? Dave's Hot Chicken. Oh, well, Dave is the Wendy's guy, so I thought when you said Dave's Hot Chicken, I thought you were talking about Wendy's. Wait, is Dave's Hot Chicken owned by the same company? No, I guess not. Michigan? Hell yeah. I can relate to that. So maybe it's the fact that it's getting sent as an array. Let's see what the logic is when you go through it as an array. 200 miles away from you? How the hell did you get it then? Somebody ship it to you? Oh, nice. Should lead with that. Okay, so let's zoom in, give everybody a good look at this junk. So we got this decoding. Okay, do this, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we have item is coming in as an array. I know that for a fact. And if this is blah, 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 whatever false, it's false. And then I'm getting my current, which did not exist at the time. It's empty, and this is not an array. So this is definitely false. So it's going to use the backup, which is the default right here. Do this, blah, 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 put points, that's 0. And then true. I don't think I should be defaulting the amount to 0. Maybe I should. I gotta check that. Okay. Item is an array. Yes, it is an array in this case. So what I'm doing is I am doing an array intersect, checking if it exists in the current positions, which it does not because it's empty for point. Let's double check I'm putting point and not points. Type point. Let's double check I put point here. Point. Okay, good. Sometimes I do that. And then oops. Where was I? You. So get that, intersect. They don't. So there's no existing values, so I don't have to unset them. And then I do an array merge, which the array should technically be the Iona value and this. I don't think array merge is the right thing. No. Oh, I'm stupid. I didn't add the key. That's why. So yeah, it should be boom, type, positions. That's it. So I was just bringing it to the root. $20 off the chicken. Are you hacking DoorDash or something? What are you doing, Indy? Don't incriminate yourself, but how you getting all these deals? All right, now it'll work. Restart. At least now we know we can skip things. Oh, look, I logged out. That kind of screws up things too, so maybe that is why. Shmosh shmoop. Shmosh shmoop. Grrr, burp, 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 burp. Doop 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 doop. Speed run, go. Huh, huh. Oh, I ran out of transport. Speed run over. Da 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 da. Speed run. Oh, that's cool. I forgot I could do that. I can just hit space bar and close the talk. Create a new account, then get a promo code again, and then order something. Oh, so you just keep creating new accounts. That's smart. I just punch her and then she finishes my mission. Speedrun. Wait, what am I trying to do? Oh, yeah, I want to test if she goes away. This might fix all my problems. That's what I'm gonna guess. Move your computer tower. I like how I have like a big ass computer tower and then it's on the desk. There's a weird old 90s monitor and then like a brand new laptop. Like who the hell made that pixel art? Such a random desk. I probably could have just generated one better. Oh, we're almost recharged. Start. Get my transport back on. Would the stream be better if I started beatboxing more often? I'll put a poll on the YouTube channel. See if anybody wants me to start beatboxing. Okay. Yes. Did it say properly? Ramp. Ramp. Beep. Beep. Boop. 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 Boots and cats and boots and cats. That's good. Oh, okay, good. It worked. Fantastic. And look, we have Iona. Just chilling. Okay, good. Off to a good start. In fact, fireworks for that good start. I need the motivation because this needs to work now. Will the fire go away? Because I'm not exactly sure why it's not going away. Aha! Back in business. Alright, let's see. Fire. Good. I actually like that everything's going in as an array. I prefer that. Let's check the database. Looking good. Rocket fire. Not looking good. That should have been rocket fire and rocket extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Son of a bitch. And it only sent that. Okay. So that makes me think that the doubling up call is not doing. Okay, I know why this isn't working. I have a timeout. Oh, no. Because this is outside of the timeout. So this should have gotten hit twice. One for the fire, the hazard. And then one for the hazard and then one for the rocket fire extinguisher. But for some reason, it did not. And that's very human. What the nut, bro? Okay, well, we know one of them went in. But why not the other? What's stopping me? I should be able to just hit this as many times as I want. It keeps adding to this array because it's a global variable. And then it just goes here. Alright, let's check out the hazard. Because obviously something's wrong with it. Hazard. Because we have save mission. And the save mission, if it has a hazard remove right here, which is coming from hazard remove, then I do that. Yeah, so it hits this. So only thing that could be wrong, drag dest map item. Okay, that doesn't matter. We don't care about that. That's just for removing the drag dest. Yeah, so hazard remove should have been, yeah. And then I send it here. We have a default point amount. And it should have been added to this array. So something is stopping this from working. Clear the timeout. So this gets run the first time, timeout starts. It gets run the second time, timeout stops, adds to the array again, and then starts the timeout again. This logic is perfect. Only problem now is maybe it's not getting hit. So let's check. Let's check why. And in fact, let's check what this is as well after it gets hit again. Battery cease timeout. Boop. Alright, let's go. Okay. So we got dish. We know rocket fire is gone. So that means no fire. The only thing we have is this junk. And that means nothing to us. I'm gonna have to restart this. I want to double check what is happening. Ooh, what do we get here? Nothing. MailChimp's ready. Alright. MailChimp ready. By the way, if anybody's interested in the music you hear in the background of the stream, it's all me. All me singing, screaming. Unfortunately, this current song is just instrumentals, so not a good example of what I'm talking about, but it is also instrumentals of one of my songs. So if you want any of it, a lot of it's available online. Some of it's not. All the stuff that's not available online is available on my Patreon. Cut to an ad. Subscribe. Become a member of Patreon. For, what is it, $5 a month or something? Who does that? A lot of people do Patreon subscriptions. I mean, I'm offering it, but like, that's a pretty big commitment. Same with Twitch subscriptions. Like, you have to pay monthly for, I mean, it's like supporting people. I mean, I don't want to knock it, because I'd love some support, but it's a little weird to me. I mean, I don't want to get a new streaming service for $5 a month, you know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm a very uncaring person. I don't mind giving out big tips at a restaurant. Or the occasional casual homeless person. But Looks like it only counts users that are logged into Twitch. Logged into Twitch. What do you mean? The average user count? I would assume so. Because you're watching twice on it. Oh. Interesting. It's Game Doodle and Gex. Yeah, no, the average viewer count only counts from Twitch. They don't even know that YouTube's being streamed on right now. Okay. Let's see if the hazard goes away now. A doop a doop a doop a doop. Skip. That's good. That's a good skip. All right, put out the fire. Here we go. Fiona, very good. Wait, what? Oh, both. It's the item and the array. Got it. Very good console log. All right, let's. That's not what I meant to open. You. Nope, not what I meant to open. Oh shit. I didn't wait, so I never got my crew. I should probably disable skip inside of the cutscene. Whoops. I should be able to get them though if I go back. Woo. That's definitely going to be a fun user bug. Yeah. Dude, you could totally do that. Lone Wolf achievement. I like that. Just fucking go hardcore. Figure it out. You're gonna have to do a lot of glitching at first. I'm not strong enough. Figure it out. Gonna have to find a hole somewhere and go around it. Alright, here we go. Doop, doop, bop, schmoop. Interesting. I guess I'm stupid and didn't look and try to fix the right thing. Either way, I know it's only getting hit once. So that means that the actual item remove for the item is not working. So the collectible, oh no, the breakable. Why that is, let's see. So blah, 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 blah. We don't care about this. We don't care about this. Value remove item. So if it's breakable, which it is, and it's not a sign, which it's not, and it doesn't matter if you're strong or not, and is this minigame screwing it up? No, we know it's being removed. Oh shoot. Okay, so it's part of the save mission. The save mission is supposed to trigger it, the item that I'm using. So it's not. Why? The mission's obviously getting completed. Oh yeah, let's check what the mission looks like. It didn't. Uh-oh, maybe mission's one of these. Yeah, here we go. Put out the fire. So that got triggered, but the persist item removal didn't get triggered. Put out the fire. Worked. So that got triggered. So save mission worked, which is technically right here. No, that's for the timer. Right here. Yeah, because first got hit, right? First got hit. Correct. So first got hit. We know this worked. We're saving the mission. What is position? That rhymed. Alright, let's see. So obviously position's coming from here. So we got cutscene Triggy, cutscene, that doesn't matter. Clean class name, cutscene Triggy, otherwise position. Okay, there's another one up here. Here. All it is clean class name. Obviously position's not getting to it. Value, position. Mission, value, position. Okay. So clearing timeout, doing the save mission. Mission's working. We know this is all working. The mission's working. All this is working. So what's not happening is run point animation. I think I got points for that. Yeah, I got points for it. So that got ran. Good thing this isn't complicated. Hey, Indy's back. Okay. This got ran. We did the whole thing. You sorry you have to go to bed early tonight? Yeah, no, I get it, man. Gotta get that Dunkin' Donuts. Man, you're a snack king. That's all I know. You're eating well, my friend. Don't sweat it. Just leave me on in the background and I'll lull you to sleep with my monotone. And the metal music. Okay. That doesn't matter. None of this matters. All I care about is this. Obviously this worked. Maybe it didn't. Did this not get hit? The points. We definitely have points amounts, so we know that got hit. So then this definitely got hit. Ooh.
Just followed.
Hell yeah. Chuy Cavras. Welcome to Twitch. You made the long trek from YouTube all the way over to Twitch. And I appreciate it, my friend. A long, hard battle. Fought hard in the Twitch realm. And then this. So my guess is either mission name is empty or not empty. Oh. I need to stop doing this. Because I don't care if this is empty. In fact, I'm just gonna not care about it at all. I bet that's why. I bet the mission name's coming through even though I don't need it. Hell yeah. I will give you all the information you need. Step 1. Are you trying to get into web programming? Like website programming? Or are you trying to get into some sort of game development, app development? Are you getting, you don't know what you want to be in yet, as far as coding's concerned? Because I can definitely lead my information in the right genre, depending on what you're trying to get into. Otherwise, I'm going to default to web programming. Alright, let's restart again. I think that was the problem. I think it was just that I was checking for the mission name to be empty, and it was not. Because this is getting triggered by the mission. And I'm stupid and don't think ahead. Doop. Let's go. Let's go. Oh god. Sorry. I definitely need a quick mode. I said it. As soon as we finish Thyrus and go to Orbem, I'm spending a whole whatever week on just dev mode to make it easier to create the rest of the game. Promise. So you don't have to see me go through this over and over again. Thank you. Thank you. Getting all them points. Give me all them points. Finish all these missions. Finish all these missions. Doodaloo, doodaloo. Doobadoo, boobadoo. I'm getting really good at this game. What the fuck? Undefined. Set up your table. How is this coming in like this? As the item. Save mission. Save mission. Where am I sending run point mission? Am I like adding a dead variable to the name? Mission comes from here. Data mission. Mission complete. Mission complete. I think it's from Draggable. Draggable. Is it part of the Draggable item? Let me see. Which one is it? It's... Oh, set up your lab mission trigger. Oh, it's when I'm walking through the trigger. Right. Mission trigger. Save mission. Triggy. Where the Triggy at? I think it's gone actually. So I'm not gonna be able to see it again. No. Alright. That's for another time. I think I'm putting something wrong. Okay, so now we're gonna finish this. I'm stuck. Oh god, I'm stuck. What the hell? What is going on here? I was stuck. I gotta stop typing while I'm over there. Okay. And you. Close enough. Doop. Doop. Let's go, let's go. And yeah, Cabras, if you're wondering, I usually stream between 10:30 and 12:30 Eastern time. I'm in Michigan. So if you're trying to plan your night around me. And originally from California, obviously. I was working at, you know, Disney and Warner Brothers. All the studios are over there. Probably thinking of going with web dev. Okay. Well, then this is going to be really easy for me. Because I can just talk about what I'm doing. Because this is a website. You know, this is a WordPress site. So everything I'm doing pertains to web development. All the vanilla JavaScript I'm using, all the events I'm using in JavaScript, all the styling, all the HTML, everything is, you know, this is WordPress. So obviously I'm a WordPress programmer, so everything I'm doing is kind of circular, you know, all the asset management and the image management, data management, all that stuff's WordPress related. But As far as all the stuff that's happening in the front end and how I'm getting HTML there, it's all web development. Oh god, I'm getting hurt. What? Ah, damn it, I skipped again, didn't I? Be right back. I guess technically I don't need her. So I'm just gonna go back. It doesn't matter if I die right now. But yeah, step one, man. Start getting little jobs. Yeah, he's gonna get burnt. Ugh. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. This is not correct. How did that even happen? Welp. We're about to get a lot. What is this? What is this? What is this loop? Obviously, there's a set timeout not going away. I like that the persist item removal worked, though, until that happened. Hazard. Little side projects, but I'm talking about little jobs. I'm talking about, like, get paid to learn. Go on Craigslist, go on Fiverr, Upwork. Try to get real jobs where you're dealing with one-off projects, cleanup work, fixing work, landing pages, fixing a bug, something like that. Because you'll find a lot of those random little jobs that are just one-offs, and they'll pad your resume. They'll let you gain skills while getting paid, and you'll kind of get a feel for what people are using now, right? Like if you get 40 people that need help with their Shopify theme, you know what I mean? Like maybe you're the Shopify guy. I don't know. You'll learn a bunch about Shopify development. They have a really robust SDK, and their apps are pretty cool, and they're in a massive e-commerce, you know. So I mean, you can, depending on what you start working in, you can get a feel for the language, see what you need to know, and you know, you'll morph over time, and you'll learn more languages, and you'll go down paths that make more money. But yeah, first thing you got to do is just start working. And it's counterintuitive, you know. How do I work? Work? What do you mean? How do I work? How do I get jobs? You start by getting jobs. But that's really the NOS, you know, just turning it up to 11 way of learning quickly and lucratively, obviously. I mean, you're not going to get paid a lot. I would purposefully charge little, just so they're not expecting too much, and they'll be happy, you know, regardless of what happens. Like, not a big loss. $100 here, that's fine. But yeah, that would be my that's what I tell everybody. Like, how do I get into it? Just start getting little jobs, you know. Fake it till you make it at the beginnings. Say, you know, this, I can help you, you know, because they're not, oh, let me see all of your portfolio websites and stuff. If they're asking for that, then, you know, just go to the next job. And you know, as far as languages are concerned, I would really, I mean, you probably already know some of this stuff, but HTML, CSS, that's basic of all web development. Knowing that is just, it's kind of like knowing how to read, right? And then picking up a book. Knowing those two things will help you read the websites, whatever else you're doing, whatever else you're working on, troubleshooting, all that kind of stuff. And then, you know, my biggest advice as well is vanilla JavaScript. I'm highly biased, but I really think vanilla JavaScript, which is what this is, it's the basis of all JavaScript frameworks. So once you know this, you can navigate any JavaScript framework. React, Node, TypeScript, CoffeeScript, all those. And it'll go a long way. You know, everything has their own quirks. you know, Angular and all. They all have their own kind of quirks, those frameworks, but they all will be able to use vanilla JavaScript because that's the basis. It's not like Java, but I think that's the super basics, but definitely the most useful basic. Why did that happen? Why was I getting hurt? Why are you hurting me, Hazard? In Hazard. True. Hazard logic. When does it hurt me? Oh, here. Right? No. Where do I do the hazard shit? How do you hurt me? I know I have a timeout for it. No. 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 When do I hurt myself? Right here. I have a hurt amount. Yes. Okay, so this interval does not stop. Nice. Yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, and feel free once you start jumping into stuff. Yeah, feel free to ask me. I highly suggest getting into WordPress development. It's one of the most popular web development platforms out there. As far as CMSs are concerned, powers an ungodly amount of the internet. And guess who just bought Tumblr? Fucking WordPress. So, I just saw an article where WordPress is considering converting the 2 billion blogs on Tumblr to WordPress. So they're about to get a giant influx of, you know, websites that are using WordPress even more. What's going to happen when that happens? It's going to be a hell of a lot of people needing help with their WordPress site. But it's and it's going to be the biggest migration like ever online. If they pull it off. I'm rooting for them. Yeah, so I need to cut this off. Is that why? Is it just because it's constantly going? Oh, yeah, look, wait, there's an interval. If I'm in hazard, it hurts me. So I obviously am not, it's not about the interval. Though it's kind of stupid to just have an interval constantly looking. I don't really like that, but I think the problem is that I'm just not setting it to false when I should. Which this is where it would do that. So I'm overlapping. And if it's a hazard and I can't interact with it because it's me, then it sets it to false. Window.hazard value. Oh, that's the amount. Cool. Yeah. So it's constantly doing this. For some reason though, even though it's doing this, it seems like this is not getting reset to false. I don't think it's going to always do that though. Oh, I should probably stop. My bad. Well, let's try it again. Boop. Okay. So it didn't persist, but if I do this, seems fine as well. Maybe it was a fluke. Maybe. Why is this getting part of the persist item removal? That's kind of weird. Just for the hazard. Yeah, because I'm doing... Yeah. This. Oh, it's because I'm using add user points every time. Right. But I don't need persisting if it's just that kind of points. So I should actually do and type equals points? Or point? Like, when would I persist this item removal? Only when it's removing. Health. I'll just make sure the type is not health. Because there's health. What is there? There's health, point, and point, health. Oh, mana. Yeah, and I don't want to persist anything for those. But just getting points shouldn't persist. Maybe it should. Okay, we're going to do that. I should have muted. I apologize. Point equals type. Alright, this should keep that from happening. What's the database look like? Oh, exploded. Alright, let's see what we got. Well, it saved everything properly. It did not save the fire stuff though. Guessing something exploded before that. Oh, look at projectile, projectile, projectile. Wait, did fire get saved in points? No, maybe not. We got my computer, we got Iona, got all the stuff. Find on mortar, should not be there. Why am I getting missions again? Yeah, damn it. Maybe I do need to check if the mission equals the position. Looks like a lot, but I'm guessing it will get easier and more familiar as you practice more. Yeah. No, I mean, once you've been doing it for a long time, like, you know what all the functions do, right? You just have that in the back of your head. And then it's more about, like, what do I want to do with it? And then you just use the functions the way you want to use it. And then it gets easier as you memorize these things. And, you know, a lot of people don't even have to memorize them these days. They got ChatGPT and plenty of Googling. I still Google things, but I definitely don't have to look up as much as a lot of people, just because I've been using these functions for a long time. But yeah, it gets easier, 100% over time. Okay, let's do this again. Position does not equal mission name. I just think I need that. You have to do a bunch still. You're looking up SVG stuff, but you're getting better at it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Google a bunch. Yeah. Google. The necessary evil of the internet. Who doesn't like when you talk bad about them? I did a short recently, and on YouTube I do a bunch of shorts. You'll see I post one every day, and they usually get about 400 to 500 views, and they get exposed to like 1,200 people or whatever like that. And then, you know, whoever wants to watch it watches it. Whoever doesn't, they swipe. But then I did a video where I was talking about how, like, you know, Google is the one you should be afraid of. They're the one that's tracking everybody. They have everybody's information. Any website using Google Analytics, all of their demographic data, all of their users' data, you know, scroll depth, click events, all that kind of stuff. Everything that they show you in Google Analytics, they have that. It's theirs too. And they use that data for their ads and all that kind of stuff. So, and I said, like, yeah, Google's the one you should be afraid of, you know, like, and they control the most used browser in the world, Chrome, right? So they make the rules about navigating the internet as well. So, yeah, be afraid of Google. And it got zero exposure. Like, nothing came out. And it's not like I put, like, hey, Google sucks in the title. I changed the title afterwards, saying Google doesn't want you to know this. Just because it's like, whatever. Nobody's going to watch it anyways. But, yeah. They are actively listening to the content. And if you start talking shit about Google, YouTube will not expose it, at least to the shorts feed. Pretty funny. And then they blacklisted me for a few days. Like, all the future shorts came out, it was basically starting from scratch. Like, I got very little exposure. It took a few days for the exposure to go back up to the normal level. Glad it came back though. Alright, God rest. Hey, jump on whenever you want, man. And feel free to hit up the Discord channel if you haven't yet, and ask any questions. You know, here to support you, man. And good luck. For sure, man. Catch you in the next one. Okay. This is all that matters now. Let's try this again. Because I'm really tired of these damn missions getting saved. I'm going to restart again. Man, who would have thought that we were going to spend another day not working on the minigame? Never would have guessed. Most people would have given up by now. I'll never give up. We're gonna get these stupid missions and items and stuff saving properly if it kills me. I know. Wait, did any of these save as items? Once you get all this sorted, it'll be smooth sailing. Yeah. 100%. Yeah, just like the talking thing, you know? Just little bits like that. They add up and then make it better for everyone. Positions. Okay, so only the one. So I still think mission triggers are screwed up somewhere. But that's okay. As long as all the other missions don't go. Which, let's test that theory right now. Shit. Oh no, not shit. Good. Cabinet got saved, not the mission. I thought I already screwed up. Speedrun. Not close enough. Alright. Let's double check. No more missions. We just got these. Bop, 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 bop. Good, good, good. Okay, so far so good. Let's go back and let's wait and get all 3 characters. Come on. Wish I had more transport. Okay, here we go. All right, how we looking? Any missions? Nope. So far, so good. I know. I'm out of go juice. Perfect timing to be out of go juice. Okay. So everything's good. No missions are in here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're good. Iona's in here. Okay, cool. So she's gone. All right. Let's do this right. And we'll go here. And let's check what we got. Ah, look at that. Boom. Rocket fire extinguisher. Both got saved. And they're in the payload. Question is, did it save? Rocket fire. Yes. We did it. We fucking did it. That's great. Great. So that persist item, global array, saving it to that as it goes, so I can hit those functions as many times as I want, and it'll just save it all as one array. That's gonna be big. Yeah, that'll be real big. Real big. Okay. I'm scared to refresh the page, but it should be good if I refresh. Okay. Yeah. Good. Alright, let's see if we can get this disarm shit working. Now that I know that works. Okay. Here we go. Let's cheat and just use transportation. And okay, we got our fetch, and it holds both. Fucking A. 1 and 2. Wait, there's 3 things. 1 and 2. Oh, that's not good. And it's holding an array. That's weird. So once you get that average up... Oops, looking at the wrong thing. Okay, so here's what's happening. It's doing 1, 2, and then it's doing it a third time. Adding the array. So the array is actually working now. What the hell? Maybe I fixed the array without knowing it. Hold on. I need to not do that. Yeah, hold on. Now the fucking array is working. Because I'm passing this in save mission. I was passing both of them. But obviously, it's getting hit twice before that. So... shoot. Maybe I pass nothing in the position for timer, maybe? Because now it's gonna be all fucked up. I mean, whatever, it'll still work, but now there's gonna be an array in here. Yeah, we got disarm bucket 1, 1, 2, and then we have an array inside of here. So, hello. That's kind of cool to save an array like that, but... So what was happening? Because this got hit. So persist got hit 3 times. Once from save mission. And then the timer function itself is... what the fuck? Oh. Can be simplified to null equals triggy. Can it though? That doesn't make sense. Maybe you know something I don't, but I'm gonna leave it. So what's happening? We're doing save mission. When I hit. Oh, I think the save mission is triggering the remove function. Hold on, let me see what... Do I have timer logic in here? Maybe I don't. Because I know we're doing this. And this. Wait, is it because of that? No. This is for hazard removal. We are removing though. Is that how I'm doing it? I added it as hazard removal. I think I did. That's why. That's why. Yeah. I added it as hazard removal. It's like my workaround for getting rid of it when both of them get hit. Okay. Okay. So technically I don't need to pass the position because I'm getting it from the hazard removal logic from the mission itself. So if I pass nothing in the position, what happens? It goes to run point. And I think this just gets passed straight out to... Do I use position? No, I'm not using it anywhere. It just gets passed straight to here. And then I'm using position for... If it includes that false, blah, blah, blah. Push position, add explore points. Yeah. Yeah, so if I had nothing, I think we're still okay. Yeah, because it's going to equal nothing. Okay. So we'll do that. We just won't pass a position, so it won't try to persist the item removal. Good. I think we're good. Honestly, I think that was the last piece. Because now that's saving. This is probably saving. Rocket. Same thing. There's an item removal to it. So I also need to get rid of that. Draggable. But there are draggables where missions actually work, so maybe I need... Or it doesn't actually remove the item. Timer will always... Oh no, shit. Timer is not always going to remove. Okay. I need to change this. I need to keep that. Yeah. I need to keep that because timer's not always going to remove the item. Sometimes it's just going to be like buttons on a wall, you know, and they're not going to go anywhere. So I guess, nah, I don't want to make more work for myself. I was going to say maybe I could just like add the buttons under the buttons, you know, but then that'd be a lot of lining up of things, and I think that's kind of a little hacky. So what I can do though is if they're removable, hazard remove right here. So if they're removable and the hazard remove is not in the position of the save mission, then we'll do that. Yeah. Let's try that. So I don't mind passing an array. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at position. And then we'll do... if position... How do I check if the string exists in the array? Is it includes? Maybe. Only problem is if this is not an array, which it's not going to be. Well, position is an array in this case, but it might not always be an array. In fact, it's usually not going to be an array. I'm going to have to look this up. Check if element is array. Check if variable is array. JavaScript. Is array. Yep, I'd rather do that. So boop and position. So we'll do this, if that, and that, or if yeah, that's gonna get a little big. Doop, doop a doop. Or false equals array position and position does not equal hazard remove. Then do it, right? Position for the save, not hazard removed. Right. Yeah, because if it is, then it'll just get passed in here. Run point animation. And it'll get saved anyways. I think this will work. Okay. Let's see what we got. Yeah. I have a feeling this is going to work. Does look like Rocket got removed. Oh, wait. I'm too low. Oh, no, I'm not. Where's all my shit? Where's my office? Where am I? What? All my items are gone. Uh-oh. That's no bueno. Where'd you go? All the items are gone. How am I going to do a minigame if they're gone? Well, let's reset. I have a feeling that this is a mess in here now. Rocket. What the hell? Oh, wait, I think I'm all the way to the left. Wait, no. That's where I want to be. Alright, I'm going to restart. The blade device exploded in your life. Apparently. Well, let's just hope it's a weird database issue. Because there's so many arrays and stuff like that. It might just be not adding anything. Or not allowing anything to get through. Go. Ignore. Speedrun, speedrun. Keep it up. Get them points. Alright, let's go. Doopa 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 doo. You can't believe you never noticed the points pop up. Yeah. Nah, it's cool. And if I'm not skipping it, it like goes right up and fades out. Alright, points. We got all the tables and stuff, which let's refresh actually and make sure they stay there. Nope. Alright, well, there's definitely some issues there. See, if they're draggable, they shouldn't be removed. They should just have a no points class. So let's check out what's going on with that. No, add no points. So yeah, should remove item on load. I definitely should not be removing draggable. What? Why did I say true? I mean, that's true for the rocket, but that's not true for the other items. Wait, what the hell? Have they always been removed? Maybe I haven't refreshed the page in a while. Okay. So only if these are part of the hazard remove function though. I mean, it doesn't remove them until I refresh. But this logic is basically saying, yeah, remove them if it's a draggable. But I don't want that to happen. What I want is it to be just add no point, which is what it was doing. But I think I might have done this for the rocket. But if the rocket, I thought I had other logic for that, but I'm not seeing it. So what does the rocket have as logic? Well, let's first of all just remove this, because this is false, because it's heavy. Yeah, exactly. So let's do this. So they're there. And now I know that the rocket gets removed, but I need another trigger for the rocket. So actually, what does the rocket have? Rocket, where are you? Rocket, rocket, rocket. Okay, so here's the rocket. It is draggable, true. But yeah, there's really no way for me to know when it needs to be removed. I think I have it as a hazard removal though. Right? That's the materialize item. Disarm rocket. Where's the mission again? So move the rocket. See, it has data hazard rocket. But that only helps me if the mission exists, which it goes away once you finish this. So let's actually add a data point to the rocket and its other thing. Yes. And we'll look at draggable. If draggable. Sure. Draggable true. And if true equals hazard remove data hazard true. No, I don't want it to be a hazard, but I do want it. Actually, do I already have something for hazard remove? I don't think I do. Yeah, and then I need to add something for this as well. No, maybe not. So hazard remove data removable true. Cool. So we'll make sure if it's in there, this one's removable. And then we'll add the same thing to the drag dest because both of them go away. Draggable. Right here. Let's do it like right here. Great. And now let's define hazard remove, which would be part of the mission. So I need to get the current missions. Wait, what? Oh yeah, these are the missions. Hazard. Where am I putting hazard? No. I need to go back to the menu. Shit. Okay, so we got the missions. And we need to check. This is for the area. I'm also checking if the current item is an explore point that's attracted to it, which I don't think that's the case. Don't I have another mission list? Missions for triggers. No, this is for just walking triggers. Okay, but this is just a general mission thing, so I can use this probably. Mission. So let's do hazard remove equals what is it called? Probably hazard remove. It's called data hazard remove. What's it called in the thing? Ah, fine. Get post meta mission ID hazard remove, something like that. Hazard remove equals false blop, and then I can do oh, explore points. Wait, what? Is the for each area? Ah, shit. I'm gonna have to put it down. Okay. This complicates things. This is just adding all the triggers. I need to get hazard removed that is specific to the item, which is what this other list is for here. Okay. I might assign the item, so let's just use that. So where is it? Missions, which I'm using is hazard data hazard true. That's if the item itself is a hazard, not if it's a hazard remove. And then here's mission. Okay. That's fine. And I'm defining mission where? Where am I defining mission? We got this. Where you at? Right. Well, that's missions. Where's mission? Oh, it's missions. Shit, I'm dumb. Okay, it's just grabbing the first one. Yeah, because it should only be one. Fine. So where did I do the hazard remove? It says hazard. Where am I doing hazard remove right here? So I need to do it above that. Okay, well, it's right here. So false is empty, then hazard remove equals get post meta that, and hazard remove equals hazard false equals empty. Yep. And then we'll do post name. No. I want hazard remove. And I want explore point post name equals hazard remove. Otherwise, false. I guess I could just do this. There we go. So that should be true or false. And then let's put default false. All right. Complicated, but we got there. Okay. So now let's check if hazard remove exists. Does not appear to. Let's look for rocket. No, it didn't get data hazard remove. All right, so let's see why not. Hazard remove. I'm guessing hazard remove is not the correct item name. Let's see. Let's check the database. Hazard remove. It is. All right. So that's correct. We're checking each item. No, we're checking each. Oh, I'm dumb. I did the wrong thing. It should be mission. That's why. There we go. Now let's check. Still not happening. Fuck you. Really? Why not? Still not seeing it. So we got the mission. We're looking for explore. If it exists. Then we're checking if it's empty. And if it's not empty, and this equals this, then it's true. Remove it. So, damn. Bleh. This is really hard to check. Post name is correct. Explore point. Hazard removes missions. Yeah. ID, get the post meta. This is correct. And then it should be adding this. Oh, fuck me. Wait, data removable. Is that here? Data removable. Nope. I had hope for a second. Son of a bitch. Alright, come on, we got this. This should definitely be true for the rocket. We just gotta check everything now. That sucks. Hazard remove. Let's see if we're getting anything for these. Hazard remove, hazard remove. See, multiples of these have hazard remove. Hazard remove. Hazard is true. Okay, what the fuck? Oh, here we go. So we got that. Rocket's not on the list. Whoa. How is that possible? Move the rocket. Rocket. Hazard removal. I guess. Oh, it's just what I said, isn't it? Yeah, see, I never assigned it. I knew I was gonna have to do that. That's not correct. Now it's correct. Alright, let's remove this far down. Hope that doesn't screw anything up. It shouldn't. I don't think. Hazard. No. Data removable. There she blows. Removable. So is move the rocket. Oh, the drag dust. Yeah. All right. Perfect. So now that we know it's removable, or true equals map item dot data set dot removable. Right? But I also need to remove the drag destination, which I think happens separately. Yeah. Because if that gets removed, I think it removes. Drag dist map item. Yeah. But that's regardless. That's just if it exists, period. So I need to not do that unless and drag dist map item data set not removable. Perfect. We'll never forget this. This is just one of those things that'll definitely remove. I mean, I'll forget. Alright. Let's just test that it works and then call the night, huh? I have a headache and I am sleepy. Okay. Hey, that's great. Hey, I agree. Yeah, okay. So, let's do that real quick. Okay, good. Let's cheat. Oh no. I hate when that happens. Let me cheat. Alright. And now let's move the rocket. Shit. Didn't let me drag it. It just removed. Oh no. What did I do? I don't know what I did. Has it always done that? Have I just never hit it before? No. You have to do that to... Alright. Well, this is definitely going to be saved for tomorrow. So close. Let's see what we got in the points. Fire extinguisher, rockets in there, rocket button 1. Let's see if I refresh. Is everything still gone? No, nothing is gone. Because fuck you, that's why. Even though it says this. It's because I got rid of the draggable? Why are they still here? They are timers. Why are you still here? Yeah. If it has a data timer, then it should also... No. I need to make these removable as well. I wonder why they're not. Shouldn't that have hazard remove? The same shit? Oh, maybe I don't have them assigned as well. Well, regardless, this is still here. So obviously removable is not fucking working. Because rocket's here, right? Yeah, it's right there. What the hell? Remove, bitch. Should remove. Removable equals true. Right? Did I spell removable wrong? I did. Is that not how you spell removable? Well, it is now. Wait a second. What am I doing? Spelling removable wrong. On purpose. Well, that one's correct. So that should be removed. Maybe. Alright, well that worked. I think I need data for that too. Alright, we'll leave it for now. We'll run through it again tomorrow. We'll get there. But Game Doodle, you're a real one. You're a VIP for a reason. Appreciate your time, my friend. Catch you in the next one. And thanks to everybody who's watching or has watched today. Appreciate your time as well in the future and otherwise. Make sure you hit me up on Discord and ask a bunch of questions and bug me as much as you want. And yeah, appreciate all your support. Have a good night, everybody. Goodbye.